In this video, you're going to learn about me, David Jaffe. I made nationals in public speaking while at Cornell University, and the type of public speaking that I did was impromptu. Impromptu public speaking encompasses you have 30 seconds of preparation and then you speak for around 6 to 6.5 minutes. They would give you a quotation and then you would construct an entire speech. I was one of the most talented people in the country at this. After my second tournament, I was defeating my coaches and I qualified for nationals after my third tournament. I have also put together 3 highly successful and very highly rated courses on Udemy. One is how to cure OCD and depression. The other is how to get a finance job in investment banking, private equity, and hedge funds. And the third, probably my most fortunate, or rather my most successful course, is how to effectively trade the stock market and trade stock options to consistently make money. I'm also the owner and founder of beststockstrategy.com. And you can go to beststockstrategy.com and enter your email to gain $400 of free information where you can learn how to consistently earn profits in the stock market. But in this course, I'm going to teach you the tips and tricks and also, more importantly, the mindset in order to become an effective communicator.